Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I'm going to show you a do-it-yourself craft where you are going to make display candy canes that you can use to display outside your house or inside your house. People decorate their tables with candy canes, their trees with candy canes, and of course, in their yard and in their home. So what I did to make this DIY project complete is I went to my hardware store. I decided on what size candy cane I wanted. My candy cane is over 5 feet. And I looked at the PVC pipe and saw the size pipe I wanted. And then I chose connecting pieces from there. And I connected those pieces together. I do not have them connected with any type of glue. Once you stick them together, the connection's pretty tight, but you may want to put glue in your candy cane to keep the pieces together. And as you see, I'm showing you how I connected them together and how they made the curve for the candy cane. This is so simple. It's such a great way to create something for your house and save money. When I first created my candy canes, I used ribbon to wrap around the candy canes, and I hot glued the ribbon on to the candy canes. But as you can see, the ribbon did not stay, and glue stuck on the candy cane. I had to each year remove the hot glue from the candy cane and then reposition the ribbon and hot glue it again. So this is a picture of me and my beautiful mother and my family with the candy cane. We take pictures every year. We select a certain color, and these are pictures that we took with the candy cane as decoration. But I decided to spray paint my candy cane. So I taped around the candy cane and then I spray painted the red on the candy cane. And as you can see, it worked out beautifully. And I like that so much better than having the ribbon, which would come off every year. And I had to reposition it and buy new ribbon some years just to make the candy cane look the way I wanted it to look. So I've used the candy cane in my house for decorations. Here they are in a corner in my house with a Santa boot, and I put some flowers in there when I use the candy cane in that way. And I also used them outside my house. So these are some pictures of the outside of my house with the candy canes being used, and I put lights on them and they work out beautifully. So I hope you liked this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment about it. And I enjoy doing videos, and I can't wait to do another one. And I hope you come back and see what I have to show you. Bye.